Good morning everybody from my new home. I can't believe it. I'm sorry if you can hear the fan. I'm in the bathroom and the fan needs to be on so that it doesn't get all mouldy in here. I'm just getting ready because me and Sam are off. We're going to head to Sainsburys and do a big old food shop, which is like one of my favourite things to do. And then I'm going to do a little house clean because this sounds really gross, but I haven't actually cleaned since I've been here. We've done, obviously we clean up every night in the kitchen and Sam hoovers like 100 times a day because he's obsessed with the shark, because who wouldn't be? But I feel like I need to do a better clean. It was a new build, so no one lived in here before, but I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see me while I do this. Sorry, I've just got loads of little hairs in my eyebrows that I want to get off. It was a new build, so it's not like it's got other people's dirt in. It just has like workman dust in places, and someone come back in this week to go over a few of the little snags, and there's just some dirt that I want to sort out. So we're going to have a bit of a fridge organise, a fridge restock, and then a little tidy of the flat. And then yesterday Sam was like, do you want to go, do I need more bronzer? I don't know. Sam was like, oh, do you want to go food shopping together tomorrow, and then to like Dunelm and Home Sense in the range? And I was like, you're literally, this is why you're my boyfriend. So we're going to do that today. I think we want to pick up some bedside tables because we finally sold our old table and chairs. So we're going to use that money to get some bedside tables, which would be so nice because the bedroom's coming along quite quickly. We're working on the bathrooms first. The bathroom's nearly there. We just need some shelves put up. It's really annoying me that I can't do it. Like, I don't know how to do these things, and I like to do everything myself. I'm like, got major first child syndrome, and I want to do it all my way. So I need to find someone to put the shelves up for us in the bathroom, and then the bathroom's kind of finished. I have some little bits to unpack and pop up. We've got a towel rail that is actually just like a stick on, and I also picked up some picture frames to go in here yesterday, which I thrifted, which are really, really cute. But yeah, I'll take you along to Sainsburys when I'm ready, and then we can unpack and tidy together. We've just got back from food shopping. We ended up going to Dunelm, then the range. Well, we got some lampshades actually. I'll show you some bits that we got after I've done my food shop unpack. Then we went to see Sam's family because they've got a new member of the family. They've got a new puppy, so we went round and seen that. And then went to Sainsburys and did an absolute humongous food shop. Whenever Sam comes with me, my food shop is always ridiculous and I end up spending loads of money. So we've done a huge food shop. We have got loads of company this weekend, so we've got family over this afternoon and then my brother over tomorrow night for dinner as well, which is what I really wanted. I really wanted everyone to want to come to our place, so I'm really looking forward to that. But I will show you some of the bits that I got in a moment because it's all on the floor, and I will show you our awful looking fridge right now. So this is the current state of our fridge. We have some lettuce that I think is going off, some spring onions, some oranges, and some San Pellegrino. It's not looking good in there. So this is what happens when I go shopping with Sam. It just gets ridiculous. I am going to show you guys some things, new things that I picked up that I haven't bought before. So I'm super excited about these chicken gyozas because I was going to make a ramen on Tuesday when Sam's at football. So I cannot wait to try those. Also, we're going to have steak and chips tomorrow night, and these onion rings are honestly elite. They are the best onion rings ever, and they were so worth paying £2.50 for them because they are so good. So if you like onion rings, I would highly recommend. What else did we get? I had to get some Werther's Originals. I'm obsessed with these at the moment, so we picked up some of them. I wouldn't ever normally pick up donuts, but as with Sam, so we've got donuts. I don't know what else I've got here that's new. I think everything's kind of the normal stuff that I normally pick up. But yeah, this is our colossal food shop. I also picked up some cleaning stuff. So I picked up some Unstoppables. This is one of my favourite scents. And I also picked up some Lenore tumble dryer sheets, because you can slot these in the back of a cushion or a pillowcase and it keeps the room smelling really fresh. So I'm going to do that a bit later. And I also picked up some fresh linen Zaflora for down the sink, so we can keep that nice and clean. vlog. I need to sit down now. It's about 20 to 6 and I haven't even sat down on my day off yet. So going to chill out this afternoon with some of Sam's family around and have some pizza. But I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, leave a comment, give me a like, and I will see you next Sunday at 5 PM with my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye.